I'm Violet's Nook, and today we're going to be making some snacks. And I'm hungry, so let's go.
Hi, welcome to Violet's Nook. I'm Josie's mom, and today we're going to be doing snacks. You hungry? All right, so I love to be prepared for afternoon snack time because when the kids come home from school, it's very hectic and we have sports and after school activities. So I usually have a platter in the refrigerator and ready to rock. So they can come in and they can build their own mini power plate. I like to provide some fresh, some crunchy, and some power, which is protein. So they can kind of mix and match and make a delicious, healthy, balanced snack. So you guys ready to go?
Yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna make George's and you can go ahead and make yours.
Okay.
Have these little bento boxes, but you can use a plate or whatever you have. I like these because they can go into their rooms or go into the backpack. What happened? Did you drop it?
Yeah.
Oh, or they can go into their backpacks for sports. So she's gonna do, what are you doing for your fresh?
I'm
You got
doing
cucumbers?
Cucumbers.
All right.
And for my fruit, I think, yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna be doing grapes.
Okay. And I also like to do a gluten-free option. So I use this rice cake square, because that's always nice and healthy. And then I have some veggie sticks and pretzels as well in the crunch. And some cheese for power. Need the protein. And you're doing a hard-boiled egg, awesome choice. And then another tip I like to do, sorry. There you go, sweetie, you want the switch? There you go.
Yeah.
I like to put in exotic or new foods with their usual foods so they can try something new. So this is a kumquat, and it's very exciting and fresh in your mouth, so I'm gonna add some to George's little brother.
He hasn't tried them yet.
I know, but he'll love them. All right, are you done? You're gonna pack it up?
Nope.
Almost, a few more.
Pretzels.
And then with all the leftover, I use a reusable bag, and you can just put them in and put them in the fridge, and then it's ready to go for tomorrow's lunch. Easy, quick, and healthy. So that's our snack attack.